In a sudden turn, Kerala has agreed to implement PM Shri, an education scheme initially refused now. The move comes after initial objections with Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Satish Shah, known for roles in Sarabhai vs Sarabhai and Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, died at 74 after battling kidney-related complications. A cyclone is headed towards Andhra Pradesh, with extremely heavy rain expected from next week, and wind speeds reaching up to 110 km per hour. Now, the upgraded Delhi Airport Terminal 2 begins operations from Sunday, following a months-long revamp with new features and flights to operate. US sanctions on Rosneft and Lukoil may disrupt Russian oil supplies to China and India. But prices rose by $5 this week to $66 a barrel. India's Life Insurance Corporation rejects the Washington Post report alleging a proposal to direct $39 billion from the state-owned insurer to Adani Group companies, reaffirming investments made with integrity. 10 bird species reveal their dinosaur roots through bones, beaks, and claws, indicating a connection to prehistoric life. 3 major releases, Ek Deewane Ki Deewaniyat, Thamma, and Kantara Chapter 1, are set for a weekend showdown in the Hindi belt. 2 minor girls in Odisha's Mayurbhanj district were allegedly gang-raped while returning home with friends after an opera performance. A 20-year-old Dalit youth died after being beaten over status on his birthday outside Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. 2 men have been arrested in connection with the incident, sparking Congress to blame the BJP government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to inaugurate the Noida International Airport at Jewar on October 30th, marking a major milestone for Uttar Pradesh's infrastructure expansion. The Kerala State Lottery Department has announced the Karunya KR 728 lottery draw result with a 1 rupee crore first prize for ticket KF 115,200. Union Home Minister Amit Shah mocks Tejashwi over crime remarks. Also criticizes Rahul Gandhi's Infiltrators Protection Tour. A 29-year-old doctor in Pune spoke with Prashant Bankar, son of her landlord, before taking her own life. Police said she had also exchanged texts with him. Tensions rise in Aligarh's 2 villages as temples are vandalized with "I love Muhammad" slogans. Police boost security and launch investigations. The Nifty index has gained 0.33% in a 3-day trading week, attempting to break out from a multi-month consolidation with improving technical momentum and strong moving averages. India's IPO market gains momentum with 3 new issues opening next week, worth over 1,750 crore rupees, signaling renewed investor interest amid record high markets. Retirees with 1 crore rupees must plan carefully to ensure their savings last, considering the 4% rule and investing in equities for inflation-adjusted returns. The 2025 Hyundai Venue offers new powertrain options, including a diesel engine paired with an optional 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Ahead of its November launch, Hyundai has revealed the 2026 Venue ahead of launch with engine options leaked, including a diesel automatic transmission confirmed. A recent study by the Indian Council of Medical Research reveals 1 in 14 people in Telangana suffers from impaired kidney function, sparking concern about an emerging pattern of kidney disease in Hyderabad. Researchers at Nagaland University discovered synapic acid, a plant compound that accelerates wound healing in diabetic conditions. Despite growing focus on mental health, postpartum depression remains a largely overlooked area in healthcare and workplaces, affecting new mothers who often juggle multiple roles. The Rotary Club of Agartala and City jointly marked World Polio Day with a rally through Agartala's streets, raising awareness about polio eradication. A cardiologist recommends walnuts and okra among 6 cholesterol-lowering foods as India sees rising cardiovascular diseases with early onset and high fatality rates. A US study claims that almost a fifth of urinary tract infections are linked to contaminated meat, particularly foodborne E. Melting glaciers are losing their nutrient strength, raising concerns for marine life as the impact on ocean ecosystems is becoming increasingly evident. Indian scientists find yeast can survive Martian surface conditions, potentially holding clues to life beyond Earth. Astronomers in Spain have traced an interstellar comet's 10 million year path, revealing secrets about distant world formation beyond our solar system. NASA confirmed 2025 Peta-Newton 7, a small asteroid temporarily orbiting near Earth, giving it the appearance of a second moon. Now, the IQOO Neo 11 is set to launch on October 30, 2025, in China with expected key features and specifications revealed by the company. Apple slashes production of iPhone Air amid weak demand, impacting sales and revenue projections. Hyderabad. Instagram has launched a new AI-powered Restyle feature on its platform, allowing users to edit stories using Meta AI now. The feature is currently available in Stories in the Edits app. Garena Free Fire Max redeem codes are active for free diamonds and emotes in India. Despite the game's ban, its enhanced version remains popular among gamers due to excellent gameplay and graphics. Anonymous social media platform Grapevine is set to raise $38 million in its Series A round, led by K Capital with participation from Peak 15 partners and Unilazor Ventures. Google's Gemini AI transforms portraits with styles from Studio Smoke to Golden Hour, blurring lines between photography and digital art. This week's Big Boss Telugu contestant eliminated, sparking viewer excitement and speculation about who will leave the show. Actors Shreyas Talpade and Alok Nath are among 22 people booked for alleged investment fraud in Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor paid tribute to his college classmate and admin Piyush Pandey, who died at 70 after a brief illness. Big Boss 19 saw a double eviction as Basir Ali and Nehal Chudasama were eliminated, without the secret room twist. Rashmika Mandanna stars in new Telugu romance, The Girlfriend, following her success in Hindi film Thamma. A Swedish court refused to deport an Eritrean migrant convicted of raping a 16-year-old. Citing the crime wasn't exceptionally serious, the migrant received a 3-year prison sentence and damages order. Canada's immigration system faces unprecedented surge in visa refusals due to automated decision-making, leading to increased judicial reviews. Speculation about IAF Rafale jets participating in joint air drill Hope India 2025 hosted by India in November along with Quad nations. A Canadian family lost their home due to a fire caused by Diwali fireworks, prompting singer Chinmayi Sripada to suggest rebuilding efforts from the Indian community. Former CIA officer John Kiriakou claims Osama bin Laden escaped Tora Bora in 2001, disguising himself as a woman and aided by a compromised translator, slipping into Pakistan. The US has started flying surveillance drones over Gaza to monitor compliance with the ceasefire, amid international efforts to oversee peace in the region. Jens Kastrup gets red card for studs up tackle on Luis Diaz in Gladbach's match against Bayern Munich, leaving the team down to 10 men. Virat Kohli surpasses Sachin Tendulkar's record with 18,437 runs for India in white ball cricket history. cementing his claim as the greatest ever white ball cricketer. India's vice-captain Shreyas Iyer suffered an injury while fielding during the third ODI against Australia, forcing him to be taken to hospital for assessment. Virat Kohli achieved a milestone, becoming the second highest ODI run scorer, and equaled Sachin Tendulkar's record for most 50-plus scores against Australia in ODIs. A viral video of Gautam Gambhir chatting with Rohit Sharma has sparked retirement rumours for the Indian cricketer. Following India's loss to Australia in Adelaide, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli drew huge crowds on their potentially final Australia tour for India. ODIs, showcasing a viral on-field exchange. Rohit Sharma's 100 and Virat Kohli's 50 helped India secure a consolation win over Australia in the third ODI, with the Indian batting duo showcasing old-school skills. Two Australian cricketers were molested by a man on a motorcycle while walking to a cafe near their hotel in Indore, India now. The accused has been arrested.